Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Now we're looking at some nice good pump with JASMY, pretty amazing. Yesterday the pattern that I was really looking forward to didn't play out and it got invalidated. Okay, so yeah, that's a good thing. Now there's one thing on the 4-hour time frame. This update came a little bit late, but I want to tell you that there was a pattern known as a descending broadening wedge. So this is pretty much how it looks like. So you went from there to there and you went from here to here. So you can see that price action right there was like to the downside, upside down, up, down, up, down, up, broke out, came for the retest, back, hold the back test, and you're looking to go back up to 4894. You haven't met the technical target, but you're looking to go back up there. Now this update is going to be the following. If you do come up here, the question is, can you try to go up to 50 and break 50, backtest 50, and probably you could go to 56, and that's where you can still find a lot of trouble. Now keep in mind, this is like a short-term correction. Actually, that's a correction in a downtrend, because we are still not out of the woods. You're in a downtrend. It's clear that you're in a downtrend, and you've been far away from the EMAs, and now you're trying to go back to the EMAs. Now remember, you're really trying to fight the 55, which is going to be a tough battle to do, so be careful. I don't recommend buying it straight at the resistance right there. And for me, still the technical target is pending down to 0.002. Of course, that's going to take time because I've been telling you that price target ever since back in September. And yeah, it's going to be a long time. Maybe in December you can get that technical target, because I'm looking at the weekly time frame. But in the smaller time frames, we still have, we're going to have like drops and pumps and drops and pumps. So basically, when you talk about this in a downtrend, all you do have is a impulsive move, correction to the upside, impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, another maybe big correction there, and then another impulsive move down to wherever you want to go towards in the future, basically. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this JASMY video update. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.